In the pursuit of wisdom and self-improvement, one of the most profound realizations a person can come to is the recognition of their own limitations. It is in this recognition that the wisdom of seeking companionship with those who surpass us in various aspects of life becomes evident. The ancient adage, "The wise man will want to be ever with him who is better than himself," encapsulates this timeless truth. To understand the essence of this statement, one must delve into the nature of wisdom itself. Wisdom is not merely the accumulation of knowledge or experience, but rather the ability to discern what is truly valuable and beneficial in life. It is a journey of self-discovery and growth, a continual striving towards becoming the best version of oneself. In the company of those who are better than us, whether intellectually, morally, or spiritually, we find inspiration and guidance. These individuals serve as beacons of light, illuminating the path towards self-improvement and enlightenment. Their wisdom, skills, and virtues become sources of learning and emulation for us, propelling us forward on our own journey towards excellence. Moreover, being in the presence of those who excel in various fields challenges us to rise to their level. It pushes us out of our comfort zones and motivates us to push the boundaries of our own capabilities. In the crucible of their company, we are forced to confront our weaknesses and shortcomings, spurring us towards growth and development. However, the wisdom of seeking companionship with those who are better than us extends beyond mere self-improvement. It also fosters humility and gratitude within us. Recognizing our own limitations in comparison to others humbles us, reminding
us that we are but small parts of a vast and intricate tapestry of humanity. It teaches us to appreciate the diversity of talents and perspectives that exist in the world and to approach life with an open mind and a willingness to learn from others. Furthermore, surrounding ourselves with those who are better than us cultivates a spirit of camaraderie and collaboration. Instead of viewing others as rivals or competitors, we see them as allies and partners in our shared journey towards self-actualization. Together we support and uplift each other, celebrating each other's successes and offering support in times of difficulty. In essence, the wisdom of seeking companionship with those who are better than us is a fundamental principle of personal growth and fulfillment. It is a testament to the power of humility, curiosity, and a genuine desire for self-improvement. By surrounding ourselves with individuals who inspire and challenge us, we embark on a journey of continual learning and evolution, ultimately enriching our lives and the lives of those around us.